Hey friends, if you wish to fix WDF violation error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to remove all the peripherals because there are a lot of peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc., which push their own drivers to the system, thus interfering with the existing drivers of the system. So, first of all, remove all the peripherals. The next one is an SFC scan, which will fix broken and corrupt files. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is a check disk scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.